Ghirmay Bini نعلم أطبعك زفلتكني يلا فرصة عود زلمتكني
Biniam Ghirmay, Jasper Philipson now really starting kicking for the finish. 44 kilometers an hour. It's a sheer power. He'll split for the finish.
مسري حجري أهجري زفرع خاني Ghirmay Eritrea ممكن أفريقيا رستي بسكلتاك قداموت زد مكة مع دور إيخا سمنا زبرخكا يمسكن نوفتاري مئرين زنجسكا Biniam Ghirmay Bini
Stage of the Tour de France for Eritrea.
Bini Eritrean, forever renowned in history's pages.
Goes for the stage, Ghirmay goes across, and it is right in the centre. Mads Pedersen, Ghirmay, Biniam Ghirmay wins his first ever stage of the Tour de France for Eritrea.
Bini Eritrean, forever renowned in history's pages. Your name is crowned.